today from VMD. I would like to present you today one of our newest product, VMD149 hand hygienizer in gel. This gel is an alcoholic-based product. It is very useful when you need to clean your hands and you don't have the possibility to wash them. With just a few drops, you can pour it in your hands. You rub it just a bit. The smell is very, very nice, and it dries quickly and doesn't leave your hands stitchy. The packaging is very small, so it's very handy. You can just put it in your purse or leave it on your desk. Don't leave home without it.